This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 11, chapter 28, Introduction to 3D Coordinate Geometry. Exercise is 28.2. Now the next question is question number 17. Now important is this is NCERT question, and whichever question which are coming, we have already done that. NCERT questions. So find the locus of P if PA square plus PB square equals 2K square, where A and B are the points 3, 4, 5 and -1, 3 and -7. So here we have a point A, which is this one. B point is a -1, 3 and -7. So don't worry about these points, just worry about the concept, because this question will come again and again. There is a point P which moves such that the distance of this point P from A and P from B have a relationship, and this relationship is given. PA square plus PB square equals 2K square. So just assume P to be x, y, z. Now take the distance x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z minus 5 whole square. This is your under root of, and we already have a square, PA square. Now put PB. PB is what? X plus 1 whole square, y minus 3 whole square, z plus 7 whole square. So these two distances with a square, that is without square root, you have to put in here, and then this equate it with 2K square. Now you see that, as I said, under root square root will not be there. You just need to rearrange. This will be the locus. I hope you'll be doing this algebraic rearrangements. Question number 18. Show that the points, now this is not an NCERT question, but after this all the questions are from NCERT. Show that the points ABC, BCA and CAB are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So in R.D. Sharma, most of the question NCERT, already the question are being given to us. So people are asking me, why do we do R.D. Sharma, why can't we do NCERT? If you do R.D. Sharma, you don't need to do NCERT, I guess. And R.S. Agarwal also you don't need to do. This is, I guess, enough questions we have. R.D. Sharma is not paying me anything. I'm just saying that I have done this book, it's good. So you have ABC, BCA and CAB. So these are the points of, or you can say the vertices of equilateral triangle. You just have to find out the distances, that is the edge length, triangle side length. You know the distance formula? You know how to do this? So you have this one, BCA and ABC. So B minus C whole square, AC minus B whole square, A minus C whole square, add them, take the under root, take the square root. Similarly, for other two edges, same thing you have to do. So when you do this, you'll see, after the rearrangement, you'll see that all the sides are equal. That is the result which is coming for these three sides or edges are equal, same. So when the three sides are equal, you can clearly say that this is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, right? Now question number 19. This is again NCERT question. CBSE, NCERT, all, they will find this in their book, textbook. Are the points, 3 points are given, are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Whenever right angle triangle means one angle is 90 degrees, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So when we have these 3 points, you can arrange them in any way. I don't know how to put it, but you just start with any vertices. It doesn't matter, because ultimately we just square them, and we'll see that if you add two of them, it should come as the third. So for example, this is the point we have taken. So we'll find AB, we'll find BC, we'll do AB square, we'll do BC square, we'll add them. If it comes equals to AC square, then this is a right angle triangle. That is AB square plus BC square. And if it comes equal to AC square, that is the right angle triangle. Okay. Or no, only this shouldn't be done. Other pairs also you have to check. AB square plus AC square may be BC square, and BC square AC square may be AB square. So all the possibilities we need to check. So we have 3 points, A, B and C. These points, just 10 minus 3 whole square, AB I am finding. 20 minus 6 whole square, 30 minus 9 whole square under root. 7 under root 14 will come. Now BC, 25 minus 10 whole square, minus 41 minus 40 whole square, 5 minus 30 whole square under root. So you'll get under root 4571. Third thing, find out CA. CA, it is 3 minus 25 whole square, 6 plus 41 whole square, and 9 minus 5 whole square under root. So you'll get 3 under root 301. So these are the 3 points you are getting, 3 edges you are getting. Now just add to square them and add 2 of them. So if you see AB square plus BC square, it's not going to come equal to 527. The trick is that always see the highest one, biggest one, and take the 2 smaller one and square it and add. This is the only thing you do. Rather than, as I told you, pairwise adding, don't do this. Take the highest one, square it, take the lower 2 and square them and add it. If they are not equal, it's not a right angle triangle. If it is equal, it is a right angle triangle. Here it's not a vertex of a right angle triangle. This is not a vertices. Okay, let me tell you again. In AB, BC, AC, take the longest side, square it. Take the other 2, square it, add them. If it comes to the longest side square, then it is a right angle triangle, otherwise it is not. Next is question number 20, and there are 3 parts here. 3 parts. All these 3 parts are from NCERT, and these all questions we have done already. How have we done? See, isosceles triangle we know, right angle triangle we know, vertices of a triangle, a parallelogram we know. How to do this? We have already done that question, but let me give you an idea also here. So we have verified these 3 points are given are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles simply means 2 sides equal. Any triangle, if 2 sides are equal, that will be an isosceles triangle. So we'll take AB, AC, BC. Take the length of the side. If 2 sides are equal, that is an isosceles triangle. So simply you have to take the distances. Take the distance formula, find out the distance, that is the edge, length of the edge. So if you see AB, BC, CA in this particular triangle, you will see that AB and BC are equal. Third is not equal, which is this one, 6. But if you see that the other, in the second part, the points are exactly same, almost same actually. So 0, 7, 10, 1, minus 1, 6, 6 and minus 4, 6, 9, 6. So AB square plus BC square, if it is equal to AC square, again I said, find out the triangle side, take the biggest one, square it, take the other 2 smaller sides, square it, add them. If they are equal, that is going to be a right angle triangle. So 6, AB, BC, AC, if you find out AB and BC will be 3 root 2 and the AC will be 6. 6 is higher than 3 root 2 and 3 root 2. So take the 6 square and take the addition of square of the other 2, that is 3 root 2 whole square, 3 root 2 whole square, and 3 root 2 is 18, 18 plus 18 is 60, 18, 36, so it becomes equal. AC square equals AB square plus BC square. So that means this is indeed a right angle triangle. Now coming to parallelogram. Parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, you just have to prove that the opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So parallel will not be possible here. That is also possible because we can find out the slope and etc. But right now, we just prove that the opposite side length are equal. Same thing we are going to do here. We are going to find out AB, BC, CD and DA in the order fashion, and AB and CD, if you see, they'll come as 6. Both are 6. BC and DA, they are going to be under root 43. That is, they are also equal. So the opposite sides are equal. That is, it's indeed a parallelogram. This is question number 21. This is again NCERT question. Find the locus of a point which are equidistant from the point 1, 2, 3 and 3, 2, minus 1. So you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3, 2, minus 1. Now you have to find out any point P which is moving such that it is equidistant. See, this 21, 24 question, all these few questions we have done, they are exactly same. So this x, y, z we take as P point, take the distance of this point P from A. This is the distance. take the distance of this point P from B. Again, this is a distance. Now just equate them, and just when you equate them, take the square, you'll get, and open this x minus 1 whole square, that is a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square formula you have to use, and rearrange x minus 2z equals 0 will come. Next one is 22nd. Find the locus of the point, the sum of whose distances from the point 4, 0, 0 and minus 4, 0, 0 is equal to 10. Now they have made the question easy because two of the coordinates are 0. So we have A and B. So say one point is A and this is B. So just take the distance of any arbitrary point P. We'll take it as say XYZ. This is XYZ distance from A, that is PP. I'm taking it as XYZ. So PA distance and PB distance, XYZ distance from minus 4, 0, 0 is equal to 10. So PA distance, XYZ you take. So x minus 4 whole square, y minus 0 whole square, z minus 0 whole square. It is PA. PB will be x plus 4, 0 and y minus 0 and z minus 0. And just add them and equate it to 10. So this is the equation you have to make. And finally, you just have to rearrange. And how to rearrange? The best thing is to take PA plus PB. Now take this any PB or PB, anyone you can take on the right hand side. It doesn't matter. You can take any of this. So take on the right hand side and then just square them. Left one will only have root removed. Right hand side it will be a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. So you have a square. You just use a minus b whole square formula, and then you see that once you open it, one more root will be there. So you have to take all the content which are not under the root on the left hand side and just keep the root term on the right hand side. So whatever possibility of simplification is there, simplify it and keep the under root on the right hand side, and then you square it, because ultimately you have to get rid of the under root, square root. So now you square it. As I said, you can just do the simplification, and the rearrangement will give you this equation, that is the final equation. This is question number 23. Showed that the points A, B, C and D are the vertices of a parallelogram ABCD, but not a rectangle. Not a rectangle. Parallelogram we have already seen. Take the opposite side. Try to prove that opposite sides are equal. That will be surely a parallelogram. AB equals CD or DC, and AD equals the other side, opposite to it. So AB and CD, this question you have already done, so they will be 6, and BC and D already we have computed, so it will be under root 43. So opposite sides are equal and opposite pairs are equal, but not a rectangle. For that you have to find out the diagonals. So you already have point A and C. You can find out the distance AC. You can find the length dB also, because D and B are also known to us. So if it would have been rectangle, the diagonals, see, it's not a rectangle because the diagonals are not equal. In parallelogram, difference is only this, so the diagonals will not come equal. This is question number 24, and this also we have done. As I said, 21 question is exactly like this. Find the equation of a set of points P such that the distance from the points A and B are equal. So I hope you know how to do this. This question is coming again and again. Maybe it's important, I don't know, but it's been coming again and again in NCERT, in RD Sharma, in your example RD Sharma, in your NCERT example. So you have a point A, which is 3, 4 and minus 5. The point B is minus 2, 1 and 4. You have this point P, and you have to take a distance of PA and PB. Just take the distance, equate them. So x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z plus 5 whole square, equated to x plus 2 whole square, y minus 1 whole square, z minus 4 whole square. It is under root, square them and just rearrange, you will get this equation. This is the required equation. Now most of the students are saying, why are you not doing it properly one by one? You know, one question it takes around 6 to 8 minutes. Some questions may take 10 minutes. So if I do this 24 questions, you can assume that 24 into 10 See, 24 into 240 and divided by 60. So that many hours, around 3 to 4 hours it will take to solve one exercise, and that will, I don't want you to spend so much of time. You just need to know the concepts, okay? Otherwise, the pen pencil, you know how to solve all these concepts, you need to know, okay? So I'll be taking the other exercise in the next discussion. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.